Nobilium. Supplies for prosthetic dentistry. Demco grinders are manufactured in Albany, New York by the Nobilium Company. This video demonstrates the instructions for adjusting belt tension and collet on the Demco E96 grinder, available in both 110 volts and 220 volts. The grinders are CE and CSA approved. To adjust the belt. First, remove the belt cover by loosening the two finger nuts. Then, use a 3/16" Allen wrench to loosen the spindle. When it is loose, align the spindle pulley with the motor pulley using a straight edge on the face of each pulley. Then, rotate the spindle so that the belt tension has 3/8 inch to 1/2 inch of movement. If you under-tighten it, the belt will be too loose. If you over-tighten it, the belt will not move at all. The goal is to keep the belt mobility action between 3/8 inch to 1/2 inch of movement. Make sure that the spindle pulley is aligned with the motor pulley using a straight edge on the face of each pulley. Now, we are going to demonstrate how to adjust the collet. If you use a mandrel that is larger or smaller than the mandrel that is sold with the grinder, then you must adjust the collet. This is also important because some simple adjustments to the collet will improve gripping power and life of the spindle. It is also important to remove the collet from time to time and remove dirt and debris. To adjust the collet, open the spindle and remove the mandrel or tool. Use the collet wrench found at the end of the cam handle and insert it into the collet. Unscrew the collet counterclockwise to remove it. Inside the collet, there is a set screw which is used to tighten or loosen the gripping strength of the collet. Insert a 3/16" Allen wrench and turn the set screw clockwise to tighten and counterclockwise to loosen. Then, reinsert the collet by screwing it in clockwise. Tighten it with the collet wrench. Then, check the tightness by inserting a mandrel in the collet. When pulling on the cam handle, the nose cone should move twice as far as the collet itself. If the collet is moving more than recommended, the collet is too loose. In this case, remove the collet, then tighten the set screw by 1/8 of a turn. Then, reinsert the collet and tighten it. Then check the movement of the nose cone. When pulling on the cam handle, it should move twice as much as the collet itself. If it is, then turn on the grinder and check that the spindle is running smoothly. If your spindle is worn, we can rebuild it. Contact our customer service department for more information. Call us at 800-833-2343 or 1-518-434-3147. To order grinder parts, check our website at www.nobilium.com for a technical data sheet which shows the part numbers to order. Nobilium. Supplies for prosthetic dentistry.